449.28, which we tested about 3 weeks ago, fell away from, almost tested again last week. And what we have been testing in combination with this is a descending channel top at 448.95. So it really is 448.95 up to 449.28. That is our ceiling of resistance. Can contain buying through June, and below which this market can quite easily fall to 354.65 over the next couple of months. In fact, yesterday, that is Monday settlement, below the 423.01 channel bottom, which was tested a couple of weeks ago. We spiked below it, but we've yet to close below it until yesterday, Monday. This has set up what I'm going to call a 2-week objective. I don't think we're going to see that in a week, but if you take a look at what happened in earlier May, we could unravel that quickly into the low 380s. 381.61 is preceded by a descending channel bottom. It is our 1 to 2 week target. Below 423.01, expecting 381.61 over the next 1 to 2 weeks. 385.83 dropping daily, converging with 381.61, which is a downside 5/8 Fibonacci. It can, the two combined, contain selling perhaps for more than a week, but a weekly support level just might contain for more than a week. We could round up from here as we move into later June. So right now, if you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, well, you may have sold the market last week. If you're short there and you're still short, yesterday's settlement below 423.01, a sigh of relief as we're likely to continue south into the low 380s. But if you've yet to go short, holding below 423.01, this presents an opportunity for a short sale. So if you were testing 423.01, you can play the short side of the market into the low 380s over the next couple of weeks, where profits can be taken and long entry pursued as we could round up from here. Finally, it would be a settlement below 381.61 that would set up 354.65 within another 1 to 2 weeks. Let's cover the upside. If we happen to push above 423.01, this is almost a 2-month channel bottom, and closing below it is a sell signal event. But if we push back above it, intraday expect 430.21. That is the low of the high. It's also very close to yesterday's high. And if we close above 423.01, that does reverse short-term momentum only. I would expect within 3 to 5 days, 446.65 yet again, where we can top out, as I say, through June. Now for the downside, I do need to mention this intraday support level at 411.75. It can contain intraday selling pressures. We could trade a good part of the day between 411.75 and 423.01. You can trade both sides of the market inside of this area. You can bottom pick 411.75, but just know that that is sort of a counter trend move in the face of 1 to 2 week sell signal. So for the day itself, I think you can trade both sides of the market, and then closing, of course, below 411.75 is a secondary confirmation of yesterday's sell signal below 423.01. Please click like, share, subscribe, check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 2-week free trial.